Hi guys, my name is Adnan Hasbi and I'd like to welcome you to another episode of Rambling of an Analyst. In today's episode, we're going to talk a little bit about how one asset class managed to give returns of about 40%. That's right guys, 40%. So how I got this idea for this particular episode today was that I think 1 or 2 weeks ago, I talked a little bit about my investment where I invested in this stock called Dagang Next for about 21 cents and I eventually sold it for about 74 cents. And that gave an effective return of a bit more than 200%. And after that particular episode, I kept asking myself over and over again, how does one increase their returns? And to that, I remembered my friend telling me a story not too long ago about this competition where contestants would compete to get the highest amount from their portfolio. And the winner for this competition, what he did was he invested in warrants. And to that, I actually found the warrants for Dagang Next, and this is an interesting result which I am going to share with you. So over here, if we look at the Dagang Next mother share, at the lowest point, the Dagang Next mother share was trading at 8 cents. And at the highest point, the Dagang Next mother share was trading at 77 cents. But having said that, if we look at the warrant, was trading at 1 cent at the lowest point, and at the highest point, it rose up to 40 cents. So let's put some numbers behind what I was talking, the mumbo jumbo which I was saying. So if we look at the mother share, right, 8 cents, and it went up to the highest point of 77 cents, we could see returns of about 9.62 times, right? So what this translates to in ringgit is that if we were to invest, say maybe 600 ringgit, we will get returns of about 5,700 ringgit. It's shy of 6,000 ringgit. But having said that, if we were to invest in warrants, right, the acquisition price 1 cent, the highest price 40 cents, the return is about 40%. And if you invest a mere 600 ringgit, we will get returns of 24,000 ringgit. To me, mind blown already. But having said that, the downside of investing in warrants is as fast as the warrant price can go up, it will also go down as fast. So the example over here is, if you look at my portfolio, I invested in a warrant called Maybank C70. And that's right, the acquisition price is about 17 cents and the current price is about 7 cents right now. And the point which I invested in that warrant was when Maybank was trading at a high of 8 ringgit 90 cents. So if you look at the mother share, from 8 ringgit 90 cents, it dropped, I think, to about 8 ringgit. So it's a 10% drop. But in the same period of time, where I invested in my warrant, I invested in that warrant for 17 cents and today is about 0.075. It dropped about 60%. My returns, or the value of my portfolio, investing in Maybank warrants would be from 1,000 ringgit to 400 ringgit. Ouch. So I guess to conclude this particular episode, I want to say this. I want to say that our market has so many opportunities. And I want to say that stocks and warrants are only tools. And the best way that we can extract the highest value from these tools is based on knowledge. The more we learn, the better action that we take, the better results we can get. Alright guys, with that, enough of me rambling. I hope to see you guys in the next episode.